Hello guys, welcome back to today's video. Today, this video is serving us two things. It's serving us a face reveal, so hello, you can see me today. And it's also serving as just a normal video. So let's get straight into it. Today we're back in cabin crew, as you can see. We have got, I have had some upgrades with it at the moment, so let's just get all my thingies there. So let's just hop straight into the create a flight. Okay. I've got this plane here, biggest one. I currently believe I'm on, so about that, I'm just moving it so I can check. 12,000. Okay, so I'm on 12,000. I'm gonna move into this corner. I've got nothing over here. I've changed. Hi. Yeah. Okay. So I'm at 2,000, 12,000. Let me get some money. Go to over there. All the bits selected. Blah 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 blah. So cabin crews had quite a big update now. Cabin crews had quite a big update. There's lots more like things that actually happen in it. For example, like there's more emergencies. I think they updated the fire. So this video today is just going to be a normal playthrough. Actually, no, I've changed my mind. It's not going to be a normal playthrough. We're going to check out the update on the cabin fire because apparently it's been updated and made better. So I'm going to check that out because personally I don't really do the cabin fire much because it's not the best. But now it's updated. We're going to check it out. So excited for that. Excited for that. Sorry guys, anyway, I always say error a lot. Okay, so we are at gate 1 if you go this way. Okay. I love how all these people here, like, literally, got so many people. Got kid wearing an RF shirt, well at least it looks like the little dot thingy bubby. Got loads of people now. Okay, let's go on the plane. Also guys, if you want to see, if you have any games that you want to recommend, just put them in the comments down below. If they are a game on Roblox or a game that you can install with Game Pass, then you're more likely to see me playing them because I have Game Pass and I have Roblox. So yeah. Yeah, okay. Also, while I'm talking about all that thing about recommending and commenting and blah 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 blah, also make sure to, while you're down there commenting what I should play, make sure to subscribe because then I can flex on my friends of how many subscribers I have. I'm just joking, but please do subscribe. It helps me out a ton and it gives me the confidence I need to be recording these videos for you guys. So yeah. Do this. Oh, let me start the boarding. Start the boarding for both of them. Oh, it's closed, that's why I can't put it away. Bang. Whoa, bang. I do not know what that sound is, but it sounded quite concerning. Okay. Start the boarding. Hold on a minute. I need to put my sign out. Look, I got. Oh, there was something behind that. I got a sign. Yeah. That was random stuff. Let me just put this out. I'll get my glasses on as well. Okay, I put it on the stairway banister, so let's just hope that doesn't fall. If we hear a loud bang, then we know exactly what that is. Yeah, okay, cool. So let's just get back into it. Also, guys, in the comments, could you just tell me your favourite Roblox games? Because I always like my favourite Roblox game. I don't have a favourite really, and I'm always looking for more content on Roblox, more games that I might be interested in. So if you have a favourite Roblox game, just comment that down below so I can maybe discover some of that, and you never know, maybe you'll see it on the
Hello
channel.
ladies and gentlemen, this is your captain from the flight deck. Welcome aboard the flight. We're expecting a smooth ride today, so the seatbelt sign should remain off for most of the flight. Thanks for flying with us, and once again, welcome aboard.
Welcome aboard the flight. We're expecting a smooth ride today, so the seatbelt sign should remain off for most of the flight. Thanks for flying with us, and once again, welcome aboard.
The audio might be a bit echoey because you'll be able to hear it through my speakers, and you'll also be able to hear it directly through the game, which means, yeah. The way I have my settings though, I should be louder than the audio in the game, but you'll still hear it through my speakers. So if there is any audio, I'll just kind of go quiet for a sec. Other than the normal audio, like closing overhead bins and stuff, I mean like speaking. Either way, oh shoot, I've still not closed this door. Let's skip the taxi. Just get everything ready. Close all the curtains, because you know, gotta separate the different classes. Or else people will moan at me.
Flight attendants, please be seated for takeoff.
I think we good. Oh no, oh, we've got people who are being weird and don't want to do all the bits that they're told to do. Okay, we're going to take off. Let me just close these curtains, and then we will take off. Meow. Except it's being slow because you know how it is. The boss flies. Honestly, best airline. Go fly it. Got Korean Air over there. Okay, we're in the air now, and that was a concerning bell. Anyway, when we hit cruising altitude.
This is your captain from the flight deck. We have reached our cruising altitude. Flight attendants should start their in-flight service shortly. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the flight.
Yeah, I'm ignoring that. Yeah,
this is your captain from the flight deck. We have reached our cruising altitude. Flight attendants should start their in-flight service shortly. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the flight.
How much cart should we retrieve? Let's get a beverage cart, eh? What about? Oh. I'm gonna move you once again up into here because, again, as it seems as a regular occurrence, I can't access something, so you've been all around. Let's see, maybe you'll come over there later. Either way, let me just light you up. There we are. Cool. Let me just change the food because there's more people who want food. So. I don't want the nut next to me. I've got so much on here. What do you want? A bagel? No, you want bread roll. Did you just say I don't like you and then say you're cool, bro? The way that this game thinks children speak is weird, mate. Like, I don't know how it is in America, which is where this game was developed, but it's different here in England, in the UK. Kids just speak differently, I don't know what it is.
This is your captain speaking. We have a fire in the cabin. Flight attendants, use your fire extinguishers to put the fire out.
Like a gang of people just around you saying some wacky stuff. Oh, there's a fire.
This is the captain speaking.
I was told it. Oh,
Shoot.
burning people.
Use your fire extinguishers to put the fire out.
It's burning someone. Oh no. Okay. I got a fire extinguisher. Ow, ow, ow. War back. First class get first. Dips.
This is your captain from the flight deck. We have started our initial descent and will be landing soon. Thanks for flying with us, and we hope to see you again soon.
Where the hell's the fire still? Oh, there we are. Well, that was boring. They said they updated it. That was still boring.
This is your captain from the flight deck. We have started our initial descent and will be landing soon. Thanks for flying with us, and we hope to see you again soon.
Well, that was well boring. I expected more from that. All this hype about it being updated and that it was much better than it was. It's literally the exact same, except this time you don't just get given a fire extinguisher, you gotta go get it. That's like generally boring. Oh. That was a bit of a letdown, eh? Disappointment. What? Oh shoot, we have a YouTuber.
Flight attendants, please prepare the cabin for
We're
arrival.
not getting a tip. No wonder you just got burned alive. Now we've got a sick passenger as well, mate.
Flight attendants, please prepare the cabin for arrival.
I'm sorry, I've got a sick passenger, mate. Oh great, well that's just convenient, innit? We are having a medical issue. If there are any doctors on board the plane, please stand up. Where's the damn doctor? There is no doctor. I'm trying to find the doctor, but no one stood up. Like, I'm either blind or no one stood up. Where's the doctor? No one stood. Can you see this? No one. Oh, here's the doctor. Why are you walking around? I think nervous. Yeah, 'cause they told me they didn't like flying. And this is the most weird dialogue ever, but hey ho. I'ma just leave them to it. Let's go tell this guy to. Oh, we've got a Karen. Okay, yeah, he's running away. Let's grab him. This game thinks you're the police though. Like, I've just tied up his hands with tape. And now watch this. Sit, passenger. Tape him up. Let's go. Duct tape him. I don't know. This has been the most disruptive flight ever. Like, what was that? We had a fire, which I knew was going to happen. I chose it. And then we had a medical emergency, which wasn't much. And now we have a disruptive passenger. Great. Okay, let's land. And hopefully we won't crash land, because it's always a possibility. land. It looks very wet. There's no land, it's just some lights. I really hope the land spawns it. There we are. I was about to say, I don't fancy landing on Morata today. Okay, there we are, touchdown. Oh, I was about to say, why is there no taxiway up here? We really need to stop. But no, there is. This island's tiny, mate. Like, what is it? An airport and a house? Look, there's this couple lonely houses and an airport, mate. Skip taxi. No one likes a taxi. It's boring. Look at this though. People getting air stairs. I've got fancy stairs, and I don't know why. Because normal people get those stairs. I got fancy stairs, and I don't know why. But I do. So good for me. I like fancy stairs. I'm getting off the fancy stairs. Let me get off. Yeah, look, see, I got fancy stairs. Why do I get fancy stairs? God, mate. Hold on. I just remembered free cab. Let's go. Hey, there's bags. I swear I have another baggage compartment. Ooh, oh, I do. Yay. Yeah, but guys, look, this is the normal one, this little ramp, and it just kind of comes up. But no, I'm special, and I get proper air stairs. Anyway, I should probably deboard the passengers. Let me get back on. Wing. Oh. Police taking him, or as the Americans call it, TSA. Hold on. Oh, one sec, guys. Hey, so hopefully everyone is leaving. I wonder. Let's just close the thingy. I wonder when everyone's getting up. Open the curtains. Does that make people get up faster?